Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best GoPro Hero 11 is probably one of the most essential accessories for any action camera enthusiast. While the camera itself captures stunning visuals, the built-in microphone often falls short in delivering clear audio. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of GoPro Hero 11 microphones, exploring various options to help you achieve professional quality sound for your vlogs, adventures, and cinematic creations. Number 5. GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter for Hero cameras. This adapter allows you to connect a professional-grade external microphone to your GoPro camera. It significantly improves the audio quality of your videos, ensuring clear and crisp sound. With this adapter, you can capture high-quality audio using your favorite external microphone. It's perfect for interviews, vlogs, or any situation where superior sound is essential. The adapter features a USB-C connector for power and data extension. It also has a 90 degrees connector for convenient use. The adapter connects to a wide range of external 3.5mm microphones. This gives you flexibility in choosing the perfect mic for your needs. It enables stereo mic and line input for external audio sources like an audio recorder or mixer. This allows you to record high-quality audio from various sources. The adapter includes a 106 dB stereo analog-to-digital converter. This ensures that the audio is converted with high fidelity, preserving the quality of your recordings. What we like. This adapter allows you to connect professional-grade microphones to your GoPro, ensuring top-notch audio quality. It also provides a USB-C port for power and data, and supports stereo input. If you're looking for the best possible audio for your videos, especially when using external audio sources, this is the perfect choice. What people say. With this adapter, your audio will be as crystal clear as your video. The thing that makes this adapter stand out is its durability and reliability. If you're a content creator, the Pro adapter takes your production values up a notch. Number 4. ULANZI V6 Wireless Lavalier Microphone. Tired of complicated setups? This ULANZI microphone is incredibly easy to use. Just plug the receiver into your device, clip the transmitter on, and it connects automatically. No apps or Bluetooth needed. Experience professional-grade sound quality. The built-in noise reduction filters out unwanted sounds, ensuring your voice is clear. The omnidirectional pickup captures audio from all directions. Record from a distance with a range of up to 164 feet. This wireless microphone allows for flexible recording. It also supports dual microphone recording. This microphone works with a variety of devices. It's compatible with iPhones, iPads, Android devices, and cameras. It comes with multiple connectors for different devices. The package includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive 2 transmitters, a receiver, charging cables, and a storage bag. It's perfect for various applications, from vlogging to family gatherings. What we like. This wireless lavalier microphone offers a simple plug-and-play setup, eliminating the need for complicated configurations. It also features built-in noise reduction and a long transmission range. If you are a vlogger or content creator who values convenience and mobility, this microphone will be your best friend. What people say. The ULANZI J12 wireless lavalier microphone has exceeded all my expectations, and it's particularly impressive for use with drones. The transmitter and receiver pair automatically, and the process took just a few seconds. The audio quality is outstanding. The ULANZI J12 captures clear and crisp sound, with minimal background noise. Number 3. SmallRig GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 Black Cage 3083C. This cage is designed for GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9 black cameras. It's an all-in-one solution for vloggers, allowing you to easily attach microphones and LED lights. It provides a perfect filming solution. The cage features 2 cold shoe mounts. This allows you to mount both a GoPro Lite mod and a standard microphone simultaneously. It expands the possibilities for your video setup. The cage is precisely molded to fit the camera. It doesn't block the screen, buttons, or USB-C port. The side panel has grip points and guide marks for easy use. The bottom bracket is compatible with the original microphone adapter. You can also replace the side plate with the camera's original one. This supports audio recording while the camera is charging. The audio adapter bracket is quick to install and remove. The original interface of the cage remains usable after removing the bracket. The bottom has a dedicated GoPro interface for easy mounting on accessories. What we like. This cage provides a secure and versatile mounting solution for your GoPro, with dual cold shoe mounts for accessories. It is also compatible with the original microphone adapter. If you want a comprehensive setup that allows you to add multiple accessories like lights and microphones, this cage is a great option. What people say. Well designed, perfect fit. Gives two cold shoe mounts to add lights or other accessories. There is easy access to the battered door, and unlike the GoPro Media Mod case, you can change memory cards and batteries without removing the case. Fits my GoPro 12 just fine. I like the extra attachment points for lights and microphone. Lots of thought went into making this. The base works great, it fits my GoPro Hero 9 perfectly. I can easily open the side door to connect the USB-C and plug in a microphone. In my case, I use it for vlogging, and it works flawlessly. Number 2. Movo ACM 400 Gooseneck Microphone for Moto Vlog. This compact gooseneck microphone is designed to capture broadcast quality audio in any setting. It's perfect for anyone who needs clear sound while on the move. With its flexible gooseneck and sturdy clip, this mic is ideal for capturing audio inside a motorcycle helmet. It allows you to record your voice clearly while riding. The mini microphone features an omnidirectional pickup pattern. This allows it to capture a wide range of sound, making it great for noisy environments. You can record directly into any device with a 3.5mm TRS audio jack. It's also compatible with iPhones and GoPro devices with the use of an adapter. Movo creates innovative gear for content creators. They proudly support the content creation community with products like this. What we like. This microphone features a flexible gooseneck design and an omnidirectional pickup pattern, perfect for capturing audio in noisy environments. It is specifically designed for moto vlogging. If you're a motorcycle vlogger, this is the ideal solution for clear and reliable audio capture while riding. What people say. The sound quality is good. Works great with my GoPro 12 Black inside my helmet. If you're in doubt, then don't buy this, as I've tried so many microphones, and this works great, plus the added benefit of not having an extra long cable. It was really easy to tuck into the lining of the helmet. The audio is so clear I finally am able to hear myself speak without wind noise crackling the speech. The gooseneck mic is certainly useful when it comes to placing the mic closely to my mouth, where it is tucked in behind the chin area of the helmet. Number 1. SmallRig GoPro Hero 9 10 11 12 13 Black Cage 3084C. This cage is designed for GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 Black cameras. It provides a comprehensive solution for vloggers, offering protection and the ability to mount various accessories. This cage enhances your filming experience. The cage supports lens replacement and is fully compatible with the Max Lens mod. This allows you to expand the capabilities of your GoPro, giving you more creative control over your shots. It's a versatile tool for any content creator. Equipped with two cold shoe mounts on the top and side, this cage allows you to easily attach microphones and LED lights. The design ensures that the GPS signal remains unobstructed. This setup improves audio and video quality. The cage features a foldable mount compatible with the original GoPro baseplate. It also includes a 1/4 threaded hole for direct connection to tripods and other accessories. This offers flexibility in how you set up your shots. The magnetic EVA side plate is easily mounted and removed, protecting the camera. The quick release button provides easy access to the battery and Type-C port. This ensures convenience during your filming sessions. Due to the special surface technology of the GoPro Hero 12 Black, the cage may cause slight indentation on the camera body. However, this does not affect the device's functionality. It is designed to ensure a secure fit. What we like. This cage offers a secure and versatile mounting solution for your GoPro, with dual cold shoe mounts for accessories. It is also compatible with the Max Lens mod. If you're looking for a cage that provides maximum flexibility and supports a wide range of accessories and lens options, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The microphone's audio quality is a significant upgrade. The microphone is a great addition to the GoPro. The microphone is easy to set up and use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.